Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss Chapter 1 Introduction to Applied Economics. First, let's have to revisit economics as a social science. Economics as study of wealth. Economics is all about wealth and how this wealth is being used by individuals and society at large for material survival, stability, and development. Economics as study of making choices. In every that we do, whether we produce or consume, whether it is wealth getting and wealth using, we make decisions, and these decisions are based on alternative choices. Economics as study of allocation. In this section, the definition of economics will be explained further as a social science that deals with the study of allocation of scarce resources to answer the unlimited human wants. Economics as a social science. As a science, it utilizes the scientific method of inquiry from identifying the problem, proposing alternative, tentative answers, testing the tentative answers to the question or the problem at hand, gathering and treating the data, and answering the question or the problem through conclusion. Economics as an applied science. Economics is a science of choosing an activity from alternative options that will yield the highest benefits to the society in the context of competing uses and opportunity costs. Let's move to the basic economic problems confronting the development of the Philippines in the 21st century. First, we have poverty and unequal distribution of income. Foremost among those problems is the extent of poverty in the country. Poverty is a restricting condition experienced by millions of families that prevents them in attaining the minimum level of consumption for subsistence living. Second is demographic changes and its economic implications. The population of the Philippines has been increasing over several decades. After 65 years, we have increased our population by 75 million. Because of this demographic change, the country is now considered the 12th largest country in the world. Third, low investment in the human resource development. Even if education and skills training have positive effects on the future income streams of individuals and the government allots billions of pesos in the provision of education, millions of Filipino youth are still out of school and have limited education and training. Fourth, weak infrastructure. Similar to the role of human capital on economic growth, physical infrastructure facilitates and expands transactions that likewise fuel economic growth. We need roads, bridges, and other networks in transportation and communication because these grids link economic sectors tightly. Many low-income countries, including the Philippines, have weak infrastructure. Second to the last, pursuing food security. With more than 100 million people to feed, the concern of the government is to ensure food security for all. But to equate food security with food self-sufficiency is problematic. And last, slow adoption of modern technology. One common feature that prevents these economic sectors in realizing their growth potentials is the slow adoption of modern technology in their processes of production and distribution.